Hey there, my favorite real estate agent. It's Chase Warren, and I'm on the way to your inspection now. Whether we've worked with each other 1,000 times or this is our first time working with each other, I just wanted to say thank you. A little bit about me. I love spending time with friends and family. Some hobbies I have: gemstone hunting, writing, and drinking coffee. Thanks again for your referral, and looking forward to seeing you soon.